Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. It is your boy Art. In today's video, we're changing the cabin air filter on the 11th generation Civic. So let's dive right in. Alright, so your cabin air filter is located right behind that glove box. So we're going to lower it and take it apart. Alright, so once you open your glove box on the left side, you're going to see that latch right there. This is a dampening latch. So what we're going to do is just push it back like so. Now all you need to do is just take the sides of your glove box and push it in. Once you push it in from both sides, it's going to open like so. And then basically you have to remove it from the hinges like this. And it'll come down and we just push it aside. Alright, so here's your last access cover that you need to remove to see the filter. So on the left side and on the right side, you're gonna have two hinges. You basically pull them in and it comes down like that, and you have access to your old filter right here. So we're gonna remove this. I'm gonna show you the comparison between two filters. We're gonna put the new one in and basically reverse the whole process and put everything back together. So let me show you a little side by side and how horrible this old filter looks. You actually have a bee right there and all different types of stuff coming in, and you're breathing all of this air in. So this should be done every 15,000 miles. I would do it before that. I wouldn't wait that long, but look at that. That's horrible. So new filter's in, and I want to point out one thing. The arrow needs to be facing down. So airflow arrow facing down. And let's continue putting everything back together. All right, so everything's put back together. Cleaned everything up with a microfiber towel right there in the back. All right guys, so hopefully this video was helpful for you guys and you could follow along on your DIY and save you $100 so you don't have to take to your local Honda dealer. So I'll link in the description the filter that I use and the microfiber towels. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and I'll catch all of you guys on the next video. Peace.